In this video, I will show you how to repost a Instagram reel. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to repost or share an Instagram reel, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the reel that you want to repost. So I'm currently on the reel section of Instagram. Now to go ahead and repost this reel, all you want to do is come over to the right hand side. And what you can do is press onto this icon here, which is the share button. Once you've done that, it's going to bring up a window like this. And if you look towards the bottom, you've got this share to button. So if we go ahead and give this a press, what that's going to do is load up a screen like this. And if we actually scroll right on these icons, you're going to see the Instagram icon. If you don't see it here, just go ahead and press more to the right. Then what you can do is select Instagram from here. And once you've done that, what we can then do is repost this onto our Instagram. Now, what you can also do, if we come back onto this reel, is press onto the three dots underneath the share button. What we can then do is select the option to remix at the top. Then what we can do is actually edit this reel. So we can add some text here if we want to. So I could put something like hello, for example. And then what you can do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press next. And then you can add your captions and tag people and things like that. And then press the blue share button. And by doing this, what it's going to do is again repost that Instagram reel. So as you can see, it's currently posted into my profile. And once it's done, if we come across to my profile, you can see that I've now gone ahead and reposted this reel just like so with my edits on there using the remix feature. So that's how to repost a Instagram reel. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.